baby back, baby back, baby back. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. Flows, baby back ribs, barbecue sauce. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make baked barbecue ribs. That's right, guys. Now these are the ingredients that I use for this recipe. Of course, I'll put the full recipe in the description box. All right, guys, if you follow this recipe step by step exactly how I'm going to show you, you'll have perfectly baked tender ribs. All right, so let's jump right into it, guys. The first step is to cut off all of that fat. All right, everything that is hanging off, that looks clumpy, bulky, jiggly, flabby, you want to tear it off, pinch it off, cut it off. You want to cut off all of the fat. Okay, guys? Now, if there's some fat that's in between the bones and you can't get to it, that's okay. A little fat is okay because it helps keep the meat nice and moist. All right, so the next thing you want to do is also put some vinegar on there. Vinegar is a good way of tenderizing the meat. All right, now you want to go ahead and put some lime juice on it. All right, put some lime juice. That helps with keep cleaning the meat as well. Next step, after you have rinsed your meat and the water runs clear, you want to make sure you season. You want to season it very well, just like so. You make sure season is all over that meat, on every piece of meat. All right, guys, just like so. And then you want to let it marinate for about 30 minutes, guys. You want to let it marinate for 30 minutes. 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how patient you are in getting this barbecue ribs nice and tender. Okay, guys? Now, this step is the final step. You're almost done. Now you're going to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. You're going to place your marinated ribs on a pan, and then you're going to put it to bake for 1 hour and a half. Now, after it's taken out of the oven, you want to go ahead and put your barbecue sauce of your choice. Okay? Just like so. Make sure you cover every piece of meat with barbecue sauce. Just like this. And now it's time to try it. You see how beautiful that is? Look. Yes, nice and juicy. There you go. All right, guys, that's it. There you go. Barbecue ribs cooked to perfection. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment, like, and share. Bye.